Welcome back, and today I'm just gonna show you guys a new project that we had created for a consulting company in Dubai. And what they actually wanted was that they wanted an AI powered platform where they could just upload contracts, and they could just get an AI comparison, the key insights, and technically the all of the interpretation, and that is what we made for them. So, without further ado, let me just give you a brief demo. So this is here they will get all the history, templates, settings, and everything. And right here is where they can choose and upload a contract. So I'm just gonna go here and select a few random files, and just like that I'm gonna just choose another random file. And so now I have uploaded both of them. What I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna go right here and click on analyze contract. It will go and it will analyze each and everything, each and every little detail in the contract, like from the basic to the most complex one. It will go around and it will do each and everything. So let me just show you, first of all, it will show the IP, intellectual property, and then it will go down, and it will say it's contract one only, and support and everything, whatever that was in the document, each and everything about it. And then it would say determination. It would say, okay, the risk level is medium, the key obligation, must perform, not just predict. And it would say that the AI interpretation of the clause, which it thinks is whatever the risk level is, it will go right here. It will also tell you that, okay, these are the clauses which might have a high risk. And then you can just go onto here and select different, similar, or missing, according to whatever that you want. And then you can either go onto here and get all of the contract one analysis differently, and you can just go on to here and get all the contract 2 analysis right here, and you can just view it. And it will also show you all the clauses present, all the key differences, and any high risk item which might be there. It will tell you everything, and this is the main stuff. Like, you can just go onto here, select AI and generated insights, and it will just tell you the overall comparison, the structural differences, and the clause distribution and everything. It is meant to automate how businesses, especially the consulting businesses, which have to daily analyze contracts and just read them. So rather than just wasting their time reading them, they can just go onto here and just upload the contracts right here and let AI do the job. And so they can just go onto here, select a specific template that they want, or just go onto here and tweak the settings exactly as they want. So this is the whole demo. This is what we made for a client of ours, and this is how we presented it to them. So if you have any question, if you have something, you can just let me know in the comment section, and do subscribe.